Hi friends, today in this video I'm going to share a beautiful floor tile designs, and even I will share the latest price for floor tiles and the price for installing the tiles with material and the labor rate, and which are the best brands for tiles and points to consider before purchasing the tiles. So friends, if you are new to my channel then please subscribe to this channel. So let's start the video. So let's kick things off with why the floor tiles are a game changer for your home, because it has some beautiful advantages like unmatched durability. Tiles, especially porcelain and vitrified ones, are built to last. They are resistant to scratches, water stains, and heavy foot traffic, so making them an perfect for busy spaces like kitchens, living room, or bedrooms. With the proper care, they can stay shining for decades. There you can see that the beautiful designs are available, and also from sleek marble to rustic wood like tiles, the design possibilities are endless, so you can go for with the beautiful designs. And also it is easy to clean and maintain, like unlike the carpets that trap dust or that needs polishings. For hardwood, tiles are a breeze to clean. A quick sweep and move with a mild detergent keep them a sparkling. Plus they don't trap the allergens, making them an ideal for allergy sufferers. Also with the premium tiles, the buyers love the premium flooring tiles because they are stylish, practical, and can boost your home's resale value. So friends, now we are going to discuss their price. So for the floor, vitrified tiles are the most popular for living rooms and the bedrooms, and their price starts from 45 rupees per square feet to 80 rupees per square feet. This totally depends upon the brands and the quality of the materials. So they are water resistance, low in maintenance, and comes in various designs. So friends, the price can be vary based on the brands like Kajaria, Somani, or Orient Bell, and the complexity of the designs. And also in tiles there are two types of tiles are available, like one is premium, second one is a standard tiles. So my suggestion is that go with the premium tiles because it is most durable tiles and it will has no dents, and in the standard tiles most of the tiles comes with the dents. And friends, in each box there are different types of sizes are available in the tiles, like 2 by 2, 2 by 4. So in 2 by 2, in each box you will there will be a 4 tiles, and it covers 16 square feet area. And in a 2 by 4 size tiles there are 2 tiles in the box. So if we'll multiply this, we will take consider as a 50 rupees per square feet for the premium tiles. And in each box the total area of the wall tiles covers is 16 square feet. We will multiply this 16 into 50. The price comes of each box is 800 rupees. The price which I am talking about is a good quality tiles like Kajaria. So let's assume that you want to install for 10 by 15 size for your living room. So the total area of your living room is 150 square feet, and per box 16 square feet it covers. So we will require 10 box, and each box the price is 800 rupees. So we will multiply this 10 into 800. So the total price is 8000 rupees for the tiles, and for installing the labor charges will 20 rupees per square feet. And for 150 square feet area it will cost 3000 rupees, and another 1000 rupees for white cement or adhesive. So we will add this another extra 1000 rupees. So 8000 rupees for the tiles, 3000 for the labor charges, and 1000 rupees for the white cement. So the total price for installing 150 square feet floor, the price is 12,000 rupees. So this is the way you can calculate your total area of the house, that how much it will cost for installing the tiles. So friends, actually the price totally depends upon the quality and the brands. Also you will get 30 to 40 to 45 rupees per square feet also, but it is very low in a quality. So before buying the tiles, you should consider some important points. Is first is the choose the right material. So pick the tiles based on your space, like ceramic or porcelain. And vitrified is the popular for living room, bedroom, and ceramic is for porcelain for bathrooms or even kitchens. And consider the tile size. So there are the popular tile size is 2 by 2 and 2 by 4. And check the durability and maintenance. So vitrified and porcelain tiles are low in maintenance and great for the high traffic areas like living room, bedroom. And match your style. So from minimalist matte finishes to gloss finish marble look tiles. So choose the designs that vibe with your home's aesthetics. And budget wisely, set a clear budget including tiles, installation charges, and maintenance cost. And don't just go for the cheapest option, so invest in quality for long term savings. So because tiles installed for years and it should be for a decades like 25 to 30 years. And for buy while buying the tiles, always buy 5 to 10% extra more tiles than needed to account for cuts, breakage, or future replacements. And request the sample to see how tiles look in your lighting. Check for the certification, warranties, and reviews to ensure the durability. So, friends, if you have still any doubts, you can ask me in the comment section or you can contact through my mail ID, which I mentioned in the description. So, friends, please comment in the box that what are the current price in your area of the tiles and installation charges. So friends, I hope that this video will help you to install a beautiful floor tiles designs with the price. And if you like my video, then please like this video, share with your friends, and keep supporting to my channel. Friends, please subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching. Thank you once again.